The Buccaneers' Betway Premiership title hopes suffered a significant setback after a frustrating goalless draw against Durban City FC at a packed Amstel Arena on Saturday afternoon. However, the match also marked the emergence of another promising young talent, as head coach Abdisalam Wadu explained his bold decision to hand Simphiwe Silepe a surprise to start in one of the club's most crucial fixtures of the season. The Buccaneers entered the encounter knowing that victory will see them draw level on points with reigning champions Mamelodi Sundowns and potentially place the title race firmly in their hands heading into the final weekend. Instead, a resilient Durban City side frustrated Pirates throughout the contest, deploying a compact defensive structure that neutralized the host, usually dangerous attacking play. With just one league match remaining, Orlando Pirates now face an uphill battle in their pursuit of a first league crown in 14 years.